morning, sir.
Good morning. Good afternoon.
Morning,
Sorry,
sir.
sir. Good afternoon. Sorry, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Sir,
Uh,
sir, I want to thanks wanting to Gaurav when Gaurav joined.
why?
Sir, it's a surprise, and sir, yesterday that I have not attended the class, so sir, I have seen the recording, sir, because my battery is 0%, so sir, I couldn't answer. Only 1 hour is there to get 1% battery. That's why I couldn't join your class.
Okay. Okay, all of you. So tell me, what was the last question that we did yesterday?
Sir,
The
I
last
think it
question is, if the day before yesterday was Saturday, what day will fall on the day after tomorrow?
answer
Okay.
is Wednesday.
Okay. So note
Yes,
down the
this is
next. Note
correct.
down the next question. Everyone, I will share my
Okay,
screen.
sir.
Note down the
So
next.
please let Silent Gaurav will not join in this class.
This is your next question. Start doing it. Note down the question in your copies and give your answer in the chat box. Okay, have you all done and given your answers?
Yes, sir, done.
Have
Sir,
you all
I have
written
done and please tell the answer. Answer now. See, sir, I am the happy boy. Yesterday you were saying to Varun, now I am the happy boy. Sir, I have sent you the answer.
Okay. So let us discuss. I hope you all have written the question also in your copies.
Answer, please tell the who is the first and who is the second.
Sir, I have sent my answer to you.
Okay. First, let me give you the answer of this one.
That's I think horrible.
So it is given that in a row of 30 boys,
Sir, please see what Parth is doing.
R is fourth from the right. अभी देख रहा हूँ बेटा पार्थ शैतानी बहुत करता है. पार्थ को मीटिंग में
Sir,
और
I'm not doing anything.
what was he doing?
Sir,
What was he doing? बताओ. विशेष.
Yes, sir, you are not doing anything.
He was not doing.
Yes, sir, you was
Sir,
not doing
see,
anything.
see, Vishesh tell lie.
Mhm.
Sir, he is doing boxing. Sir, you can see the recording.
Oh, anything.
Hey, Parth, stop doing all these things. Sorry.
Sir, I didn't do anything.
Chana, stop it. Stop it. Okay. So R is, there are 30 boys in a row. R is standing at fourth position from the right hand side. Right hand side से R है fourth position पे. ठीक है. And W is at the 10th position from the left. W is at 10th position from the left. Okay. How many boys are there between R and W? Total कितने हैं यहाँ पर? Total there are 30. So
30.
R is at the 10th position. Sorry, W is at the 10th position from the left. R is at the 4th position from the right. That means इनके बीच में कितने हैं? This you have to find out. Okay. So what you will do? You will subtract. Add 10 and 4 first. 10 plus 4 and subtract from 30. So 30 minus 14. Answer is
Sir, 16.
16.
Sir, I have also done this only.
Sir, now tell who is the first, who is the second one.
No, use this method only.
Sir, me also, and the people who is the first, who is the second.
So, first is Vishesh. Very good, beta. Excellent. Second
Thank
is
you, sir.
second is Parth. Very good, beta. Excellent. Third is Shatakshi. Very good, beta. Excellent.
Thank you, sir.
And then there is Shrey Kakkar. Very good, beta. Excellent. So these four have given the correct
Thank you,
answer.
Sir, I don't think about who is the first, who is the second. Sir, I think about that my answer is correct or not.
Very good, very good. This is how you should do. Parth Gupta is telling the right thing, that you should
Sir,
focus.
but always he said only.
Your
That sir, please
focus-
tell me first.
your focus should always be on giving the right answer. You should not do the question in a hurry. If you do the question in a hurry, it is there are chances that you may give a wrong answer. So try to give correct answer always. Don't worry about the time. Okay. So next question. I will share my
Yes, we share
screen.
this. So my sir, now see, I am a happy boy today.
Yeah, Parth is a happy boy. He is a happy boy.
Yesterday was Bharat and now I.
Yeah. Yes, wrote down the question. Only 4 of you have given the answers till now. Why the others are not giving? Have you all noted down the question in your copies?
Yes, sir. First I've given the answer, then I'm noting down
Yes, sir,
the question. Then done the question also.
Okay, have you all noted the question in your copies? Everyone?
Yes,
I write.
sir.
So first I write the question, then I give the answer.
Okay. So let us discuss this. It
Okay,
is of
sir.
the same type. The question is of exactly the same type.
Yes, sir.
है ना? So I'm
Then
giving
I
you
will
the answer.
do this.
In a class of 50 students, M is 8 from the top, H is 20th from the bottom. So like you did in the last question, 50 minus 8 plus 20. Okay. So this will be 50 minus 28. That means 22. Answer is 22.
Yes, sir.
Between M and H, there are 22 students. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, my answer is also 22. But I am thinking.
Yes, sir. My answer is also 22.
So first is Vishesh. Second is Shatakshi.
Thank you, sir.
Very good, both of you. And third is
Thank you, sir.
Parth Gupta. Third is Parth. Very good. Shrey, I think Shrey has done some mistake in calculation. Okay. So next question I will.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ
Sir, I have written 3 by mistake.
I know. I know that you have by mistake you have written this. Okay, next question. Others, I don't know why they have not given the answer. Okay, I will write the question. You all need to note down the question in your copies and then do it. First, you note down the question.
Okay, sir.
Sir, please tell the answer.
अरे कहाँ गए थे? 22 is the answer.
Yes, sir. My answer is correct. Answer. Who is the first one?
First is Vishesh, second
First
is
is Vishesh. And second, I.
second Shatakshi.
Oh my God.
Third part. Third part and fourth I.
हाँ.
Sir, this is very bad management.
Note down the question in your copies also.
Sir, it is written A B. Okay, sir.
Sir, please read. It is not visible.
In a class of 30 students, A is 10th from the bottom, A is 10th from the bottom, and B is 6th. How many are between A and B? Start doing. Okay, let me give you the answer now. I hope you all have given your answers. अभी तो बहुत से बच्चों ने आंसर ही नहीं दिया. Parth Gupta has not given the answer yet. Parth, is he there?
So because he is not in the meeting.
He's not in the meeting. He's gone. What about others? Daksh Mehrotra, are you giving the answer or not? Daksh Mehrotra, are you doing the questions? शकल दिखाओ जरा अपनी.
Sir, I have given my answer.
Daksh Mehrotra, are you writing the questions in your copy? Navdeep Gupta, where is your answer? You have not given the answer. Are you writing the questions?
Sir,
Sir,
I am
please.
giving you answer, sir. Wait a minute.
दक्ष क्या कह रहे हो दक्ष?
No, sir, he is Navdeep.
नहीं दक्ष is also there in the meeting. Daksh, are you doing the work? Okay, so let me give you the answer. In a
Okay,
class
sir.
of 30 students, A is 10 from the bottom and B is 6. यानी कि B के लिए कहाँ से बात चल रही है? स्टार्टिंग से बात चल रही है या बॉटम से बात चल रही है? बॉटम से
So
बात.
bottom.
From the bottom only. So A and B both from the bottom. Bottom से first position मान लेते हैं जो भी है. There is someone at the first position. Second, third पे भी कोई होगा. Then third, fourth, fifth. Bottom से कर रहे हैं, okay? First, second, third, fourth, fifth from the bottom, and sixth from the bottom is B. B is sixth from the bottom. Seventh कोई होगा, eighth कोई होगा, ninth भी कोई होगा. कौन है पता नहीं. And then there is 10th. 10th पे कौन है? A. A is at the 10th position. So how many are there between A and B? 3 are there between A and B. A और B के बीच में कितने हैं? 3 हैं. Are you getting my point? कैसे निकालेंगे? 10 minus 6 minus 1. That means 3. 3 is the answer.
Okay.
So only one student has given the correct answer. That is Shrey Kakkar. Shrey has given the correct answer. Very good, Shrey. Excellent.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, I just take that method. 30 minus 10 plus 6. So please give one more question.
Yes, next question. Let me share the screen. Next. Read the question carefully. This is a little different question. Not same as the last question, a little different.
So can you please tell the meaning of the question?
Okay. How many 4s are there preceded by 7 but not followed by 3? That means कितनी बार यहाँ पर 4 आ रहा है जिसमें 4 से पहले 7 है, 4 से जस्ट पहले. Preceded मतलब 4 से पहले 7 है, but 4 के जस्ट बाद 3 नहीं है. But not followed. Followed मतलब 4 के आगे. तो 4 के आगे 3 नहीं है, but 4 से पहले 7 है. you have to count ऐसा कितनी बार हो रहा है in this sequence. Okay, start doing it. Let us discuss the question. I hope you all have written it.
Yes, sir.
So in the sequence, you have to count the how many
Sir,
fours
5
are
are
there
there.
preceded by 7 but not followed by 3. देखिए,
The
so
5 are there.
this is first. Look at this. देखिए 4 से पहले 7 है but 4 के बाद 3 नहीं है. So this is 1. You can count this. So first, then second, this one also you can count because 4 से पहले 7 आ रहा है but बाद में 3 नहीं है. So
Yes,
second,
sir.
then this is also valid because again 4 के आगे 3 नहीं है, 4 से पहले 7 है. So 3 times. Are we going to count this or not? No,
No, sir.
because यहाँ पर 4 के आगे 3 आ रहा है. Okay.
By mistake, I have counted this.
So till now it is 3 times.
But I have not count this.
This one also, this is also correct because 4 से पहले 7 है but बाद में 3 नहीं है. So 4 times. The answer is 4. The correct answer is 4. Okay, now let's check who has given
Sir,
the
I
correct.
counted that, so the answer is 5 for me. My answer is wrong.
Okay, Shatakshi has given 5 as the answer. Vishesh has given the correct answer 4 and Shrey Kakkar has also given the correct answer 4. Very good, both of you.
Thank you, sir.
Have you understood these type of questions, everyone?
Yes,
Thank you.
sir. Now I understood.
Okay.
Sir, after that, I have just that made a mistake. I have counted 2 times. One time it was correct. Second time it was wrong.
Okay, so that's it for this class, everyone. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye bye.